What up, tubers? Yes. It's your old pal Jackhammer Mike with another lame video. Look, I got spider webs or some shit all over. I got something cool for you. Hold on a minute. Kind of saw something cool on YouTube and I needed my coffee and a smoke. No, I got a few extra skulls. Hold on. The olive drab, real deal, Zippo. Yeah, buddy. Well, Jackhammer Mike is going to, I'm gonna have to zoom out on that a little bit. There we go. Jackhammer Mike is going to customize this a little bit. However, I gotta degrease it real quick like. And so, I want to use greaser. Strength. Leaves no residue. So basically, what I want to do, degrease this. Just gonna spray a little on this towel. Oh, not hard. Oh well. That's what she said. All right, so we're gonna just degrease the outside. Nothing fancy. I don't care what this looks like. I'm gonna be getting some Duracoat, so I kind of got the bug to start Duracoating or just start stenciling some stuff. And that's that. Get a shot right here. Just kind of any extra residue we want to get off of it. So that right there. No, actually, let's put this back where we got it from. Oil. It's falling over. I think the leak. All right. So now, let's take the skull pack. Close that. Definitely want to try to overlap some to give it a little more character. Kind of go around the bottom if you want to. kind of a practice run. I did the M1 SOCOM. There's your skull pack right there. I did that Punisher. I cut that out myself, and then just kind of put some adhesive on the back of it and set it in place to do it. There's more skulls there for you. Put skulls anywhere else? I think that's it. So this is a reptile camouflage pattern. This is what I think I'm going to do the shotgun with it as soon as I get it fixed. Damn it. Alright. So let's get one more skull. I see a spot for one more small one here. First, I wasn't really super hip on these skulls because they kind of look ratty, but they're growing on me. It's gonna look a little funky. So I'm gonna notice. All right. Grab something here before I paint. Your old pal Jackhammer Mike always has a ample supply of cardboard. Down there. It's gonna be so cool. Well, this isn't spraying the best, but stay back a ways. Rather be using my airbrush, get better results with it. However, I don't have my airbrush out here or set up, and I just got a wild hair up my ass, so I wanted to see what this is going to look like. This is flat enamel, so it'll dry pretty quickly. It's already starting to dry. I want to be able to handle it so it doesn't mess it up. Huh. Work smarter, not harder, jackhammer. That's a ticket. Oh, there's the shotgun. Pieces. Down there. Still cold. It's like 55 or so. Was 34 this morning. Got up to a balmy, I think 58 today. It's freaking cold. We're spoiled out here. Alright, see if we can flip this without effing it up. And that's all she wrote. What, whiny? Stupid dog. You are. Oh, you're so cute. You're so cute. Oh my goodness. Rub my ear, Dad. Oh. Ow. It's off my foot. Retard. What the hell? I don't know what's wrong with Great Danes. Or just dogs in particular, but they always like to stand on your feet. You know, 150 pounds on your feet. Nice. Thanks, Max. That felt good. Smashing my toes. Stand it up. Dingleberry it though. All right, I'm gonna go freshen up my coffee. Let's give it a few minutes to dry, and we'll be right back. Sick. Custom painted Zippo ladder. Awesome. I'll just let this sit out here and dry for the night. But you get the gist of it, huh? Oh, I think it's out of fluid. Yeah. So there you have it. Custom painted Zippo ladder by your old pal Jackhammer Mike.